Hello everyone, I'm here in Toronto. I'm here at Sheppard and Don Mills. I'm here at the Fairview Mall, but I'm not going to Fairview Mall today. I'm just going to walk around outside. And I want to tell you two things. The first thing is I'm testing out a new video card. It's a Lexar video card. I'll put it in a screenshot right now. And the second thing is next week I won't be posting any videos because I'll be in another country. I won't tell you which country it is, but it's going to be there for a week, so I won't be posting videos for a week. But when I get back, I'll post all the videos. So I'll take as much as possible, take as much video as possible and photos as possible, and give it to you and show it to you, right? So yeah, let's walk around here for a bit. So I'm walking south on Don Mills Road. I'm in the shaded area. The other side is too hot. It's July 6th, I believe, and the temperature is around 28 degrees. So it's very hot today, very humid. I'm wearing my hat, shorts, running shoes. So I bought the video card, memory card, Lexar memory card from Canada Computers for $21 Canadian. It's 128 gigs. So on my trip, I have the previous video card was a Kingston 128 gigs, and I have this one, so I have a backup. I'll be taking my Samsung S20 camera with me. Plus I have two other cameras, a Samsung, I forget the model number, the Samsung point and shoot, and I'm going to take a Nikon point and shoot, which I can take underwater. So I can't take this one underwater, this Phaotech that I have right now. It's not dust proof or waterproof. So yeah, I have to I'm taking, let's see, 3 cameras plus a cell phone. So yeah, I won't take a laptop or anything. I'm gonna be I won't be processing videos over there. I have to bring it back home and do it. As you can see, it's all condos here. So many condos. Ooh, that's better, the shade. Oh, by the way, if you have any requests to, take video footage of a road or a place, let me know in the comments. I'll take any requests that you tell me, I'll do it. Not too far away, not like Niagara Falls or Ottawa, somewhere close by, around the GTA. I smell a skunk. There's a skunk around here. Yep. Too bad you don't smell-o-vision. You can't smell this. I'm smelling. I haven't tried Phaotech in the heat, so this is the reason why I'm doing this, to test out the heat threshold of this camera. Where I'm going to be hot, very hot. Yeah, so now all next week I won't be posting. So that's why I'm doing some videos now. So far, this Phaotech has been unbeatable. The only time it did an error is when I went to the Yorkdale Mall. The screen went out for some reason. The screen went to, so there was lines on the screen, so I'm not sure what happened there. So I had to stop it there and stop the video. I didn't want to break the camera. So we got apartment buildings here, and apartment buildings over here. Ten minutes of walking. It's about 10 a.m. Yeah, it's 10 a.m. Yeah, 10 a.m. Thursday, July 6th. I did this early because the rest of the day is gonna be hot, and I don't want to walk in the heat. It's already hot now, so I am going to walk on this bridge, which is over the highway, and I'm going to stop the video. So yeah, today was an update video and a walking video at the same time. So the first update was to test out my video memory card, and the second is I'm going to tell you I won't be posting next week because I'll be away in another country, and I'll be taking video and all that stuff, and I'll post it the week after. So July 19th or 20th, I'll start posting again. So yeah, hope you like my videos, share my videos, subscribe. The more support I get, the more videos I'll do. So I'm going to take a look at the highway here. I haven't shown you with the highway as it's busy. So this is Don Mills and this is the 401. There we go, there's the 401. There's like 4 lanes on the collectors, and I think 3 lanes in the expressway. Let's see here. Yeah, and down there is, I don't know if you can see it, let me zoom in maybe. Can I zoom in anymore? Oh, you can't see downtown Toronto from here. It's too hazy. Yeah, there's the 401. About 4 lanes, collectors, 4 lanes. So yeah, I want to head back. Let's see if I can jaywalk here. So this is looking eastbound on the 401. That was the westbound. There we go. World's busiest highway, I believe. I think Los Angeles is close second. I have to look it up. I think Los Angeles and Toronto are the busiest highways in the world.